Last lesson, chapter 1, graphing on the coordinate plane. So a coordinate plane, as a review, is a grid formed by two number lines. The x-axis is what we call the horizontal or left to right number line, and the y-axis is what we call the vertical or the up and down number line. An x-coordinate will tell us how far left or right to move, positive going right, negative going left, and y-coordinates will tell us how far up or down to move, positive going up and negative going down. The origin is the center of the coordinate plane, and it's located at 0, 0. So here's a coordinate plane. The origin is the center, and it's where we generally always start from. It's there. That is 0, 0. Addresses on the coordinate plane are given as ordered pairs. So for example, if I told you 4, 3 as an ordered pair, and remembering that all ordered pairs are x, y, the first number says move on the x-axis to 4. So that would be doing this. Starting from the center, we would move over to 4. And then on the y-axis, go up to 3. So from where we are, we need to go up to 3. And that would be there. Okay? It's all about counting, guys. This is all about counting. Where's my eraser? So, graph these points on a coordinate plane. And I'm going to have to do it above. Okay, so I'm going to move them back and forth. 0, 0 is the origin, which is, oh, that is tiny. Which one of you? Is it you? It's going to be you. The origin is at 0, 0, which is roughly there. That's not actually the best job. I'm drawing on an iPad. It actually can be very difficult to get these perfect, but the origin is roughly there. The next ordered pair is 1, 2, both being positive. So starting at the middle, 1, 2 would mean count right 1 and up 2. So roughly there. Negative 3, 4 tells us to go left 3 and then turn and go up 4. Negative 3, 4. Left 3, up 4. 5, negative 6. 5, negative 6. It says go right 5, down 6. So there. And negative 5, negative 7 says go left 5, down 7. So left 5, down 7 is there. Identifying the coordinates, basically I'm saying tell me the address, tell me where each of these lives. So there's 6 points here, A, B, C, D, E, and F. And we are going to say where they all live. So A, B, C, D, E, and F. A. To get to A from the origin, which remember is there, we would count right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A lives at 5, 6. To get to B, we have to go left 5, up 5. Left 5 means we start with negative 5. Up 5 is positive 5. To get to C, we go left 2, up 3. So that's negative 2, 3. To get to D, we have to go left 2 and down 2. Left means negative, down means negative. So these are negative 2 and negative 2. To get to E from the origin, remember we're always starting at the center, we have to count right 1, 2, 3, and then down, so negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And starting from the center to get to F, I have to count right 1, 2, and then down, so negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The last thing we're going to ask you to do is to do tables, XY tables, get some ordered pairs, and use them to graph an equation. So this is going to be a multi-part process because we have to fill in this table, and then I have to go do the graph, which my graph is very far away. So there'll be a lot of scrolling for me. So we did XY tables before. Remember, the first thing we do is replace X with what X is in each column. So that's what you see me doing. Now I'm just taking X out and replacing it. And I'm using parentheses to show my multiplication. Just a good habit to be in. Now, the order of operations says I got to multiply, then subtract. So 3 times -1 is -3. -3 take away another 1 is -4. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 take away 1 is -1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 take away 1 is 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. 6 take away 1 is 5. That means my ordered pairs are -1, -4, 0, -1, 1, 2, and 2, 5. So we just have to plot all these now. So up first is -1, -4. -1, -4 says go left 1, then down 4. So that's there. Next is 0, -1. 0 says don't move left or right. -1 says just drop 1, which is there. Next we have 1, 2. 1, 2 says go right 1, up 2. So it's there. And the last ordered pair was 2, 5. That says go right 2 from the origin, turn, and go up 5. With any luck, we should have ourselves, not the worst I've drawn, a straight line.